Hello camera enthusiasts, how's it going? Today, let's dive into the Canon PowerShot G5 X Mark II, a compact camera that's packing some serious features for those who want great quality in a small form factor. Let's get into it. The Canon PowerShot G5 X Mark II is a premium compact camera aimed at both enthusiasts and casual users who need a portable yet capable device. It brings significant upgrades over its predecessor, focusing on better image quality, improved autofocus, and more advanced video features. This camera combines Canon's trusted optics with a user-friendly design, making it a solid choice for on-the-go photography and vlogging. At the heart of the G5 X Mark II is a 20.1 megapixel, 1.0-inch stacked CMOS sensor. It's paired with Canon's DIGIC 8 processor, delivering fast performance and clear, detailed images even in low light. The camera features a versatile 24 to 120mm f1.8 to 2.8 zoom lens, which offers a good balance between wide-angle shots and telephoto zoom. This makes it great for everything from landscapes to close-up portraits. The autofocus system on the G5 X Mark II is quick and reliable, featuring Canon's Dual Pixel AF technology. It provides smooth and precise focusing, whether you're taking photos or shooting videos. The camera can capture up to 20 frames per second in continuous shooting mode, which is perfect for fast-moving subjects or capturing fleeting moments. When it comes to video, the Canon PowerShot G5 X Mark II doesn't disappoint. It supports 4K video recording without any crop, ensuring you get the full field of view from the lens. You can also shoot full HD at up to 120 frames per second, great for slow-motion footage. The tilting touchscreen makes it easy to frame your shots, whether you're vlogging or capturing tricky angles. In terms of design, the G5 X Mark II is compact, but feels solid in hand. It has a pop-up electronic viewfinder, EVF, which is a nice addition for those who prefer composing shots traditionally. The 3-inch tilting touchscreen is responsive and easy to navigate, making menu adjustments quick and intuitive. With its lightweight build, it's a great travel companion that fits easily into your bag or pocket. Overall, the Canon PowerShot G5 X Mark II is a well-rounded compact camera that offers a lot of flexibility for both photo and video creators. It's a good option if you're looking for something portable that doesn't compromise on quality. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more camera content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more camera reviews. Catch you next time.